LinkedIn Sales Navigator limits your exports to just 2,500 leads. But what if your search returns thousands more? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to easily bypass that limit and export all of your leads using Wiza. No more missing out on valuable contacts. Let's dive in. LinkedIn restricts your view to just the first 2,500 results per search in Sales Navigator. But Wiza will allow you to work around this limitation by breaking down and exporting your leads in manageable segments. Wiza even adds verified emails and phone numbers, so your data is ready for outreach without any additional tools or steps. Let's start by setting it up. Go to wiza.co and create a free account. After signing up, install the Wiza Chrome extension, which lets you easily pull leads directly from LinkedIn Sales Navigator into a CSV file, CRM, or even send it through Zapier. Once it's installed, we're ready to start working around that 2,500 limit. Back in Sales Navigator, set up your search using your ideal search criteria. For example, you could search by role, industry, or location. Now, to get around LinkedIn's 2,500 export limit, we'll start segmenting the results by specific criteria, like years in current role. For instance, you can start with people who've been at their company for less than a year, then move on to the next range, and so on. And here's a pro tip. Avoid splitting your list up by company size. This can sometimes leave out key profiles. So segmenting by years in role or even location is generally just more reliable. So once you've segmented your search and you've run it, you'll now see a new button labeled Export with Wiza on the top right of the results page. Just click that button and Wiza will start gathering all of the lead data for that segment, including verified emails and phone numbers. Once completed, move on to the next segment and repeat the process until you have your full list. Once your segments are complete, you'll have a full comprehensive list of leads that go well beyond the 2,500 limit. Wiza helps you keep this data organized so you can easily export it all in one go. Now that you've gathered all of your leads from all your segments, you can export everything into a single CSV file to import them into a spreadsheet. Now, this export will include everything from LinkedIn profile URLs, names, job titles, company names, industries, and even verified emails, so you know that all the emails you have are verified and safe to use for outreach. Now, Wiza also cleans up all of this data, removing any extra formatting. This way, it's ready to import into your CRM or an outreach tool. Now, if you're looking for an even simpler way to gather lead data without that 2,500 export limit, and without even needing to pay for a Sales Navigator subscription, then check out this video on how to prospect directly in Wiza. I'll show you how you can gather all of the emails, phone numbers, and lead details that you need right inside of Wiza, streamlining your entire process. Just click here to watch the video or find it in the description below. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more LinkedIn and sales tips. Have a magical day, and I'll see you in the next video.